The Tripura Student Federation submitted a deputation to the Directorate of Medical Education today over alleged irregularities in the NEET UG ST merit list. Led by Vice President John Damarma, a TSF delegation submitted a memorandum to the Deputy Director of Medical Education over irregularities in the NEET UG ST merit list. The organization alleged that non-domicile candidates were allotted state quota seats and demanded an immediate re-examination and revision of the list.
Directorate of Medical Education Officer sok paika tambai ke sing director malna paika sing seven je NEET 2026 UG ni bagai je exam payment yak lo tabu je applying state ni singoro sing boni provisional jada candidate je exam runner ni boni list ongkhoma nukha aron bisung sung nukha koyekjona je title kri hini tongo Mina Thangel aboro Tripura ni ST list ok khobjagya kintu hepono boro ni oron ke sung nukha o je list of ST khobjagi tong gabon sung bongno side paika information ni paika director dongno je o je title kri Mina Thangel rongno check khlainani bagi borok oroni ST ya je jangani phono ST tung borok Tripura ni ST naimaya lini sung bongno abon saka ta borok kograka students raka borok pura scrutinize khlainai kamke check khlainai no borok je Tripura ni ST eligible tongnai borok no mannani borok abon nainai ni borok suna kograka tai kaisa sung nukha khoroksa candidate bo binbumung Julia Chakma hani nai bini sung nukha Mizoram bo binbumung tong liso tai Tripura bo tongo gabono bo sing check khlainai ni saka tamni bagi kake kani jaga to ngimania gabono bo sing check khlainai bagi bongno koikha amagen sung tabuk travel department of rinai amorono check khlainai ni bagi
Chakma মানে আমাকে পক্ষে Tripura মিডার নাকি মিজোরাম মিডার আসল
abo sung samia bo Mizoram ni dana Tripura ni Chakma da samia kendo bin bumung sung nukha je first provisional list Mizoram ni arabo sung nukha bin bumung tongo tai second provisional list Mizoram ni wo sung arabo nukha je NEET UG ni 2026 so bini arabo tongo tai Tripura wo sung nukha je applying state Tripura wo nika bin bumung bahage duita ngtok kahe Mizoram bong tonga Tripura bong tonga sini babon wala mani ka bain sing complain ni paika takbor abon check khlaibenai scrutinize khlainai borok jodi oroni ekare nori rohjang nai
Reported by Boyer from Agartala, Chini Khora.